Let's continue now with the variation number 3. There's a lot of things going on inside, so I changed, I think, all the steps inside of the 7th step right now. The beginning, the starting point of creating this variation was this moment over here, that instead of this step, I want to use my knee. I don't want to put my foot to the floor. I want to put my knee to the floor. This was the first thing that came into my mind. The next thing was, okay, what I can do from this position. So it's easy to make a little slide with this knee because your left foot is bended. You put in your second arm to the floor and you can make a slide. At the end, it turns out like this. So inside of this step, you make a swirl, you change in your hand, you put in your knee, and then you make it a slide. I'm gonna do from this side so you can see. We're gonna go to the left side right now. So one more time. The same beginning, making a little swirl, changing your hand. You put your knee to the floor, you push yourself with your left foot, and you make a slide. From this position over here, we're gonna continue with our left foot. The round movement with your foot. You go inside, you put your right foot to your knee, you continue the movement with your left foot, and from this position, when you change in the hand, you change in your leg. Faster, it's gonna look like this. So after this one, really the same moment when you're doing the hook, you put in your hand to the floor. You're keeping the lock position with your legs, and we need to change the side. Now we need to open our legs. That's why we're gonna do a small jump. We open our legs and we're making a step. From this position, we're ready to go to the circle number 2. The same thing. Starting the move, swirl, changing the hand, knee, slide, scissors, hook, jump, step. So now it's time to combine together basic 7 step with variation number 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now it's important moment because from this step we're gonna go directly to the variation. So it's gonna be 4 and 1. Slide is always on the 1. And 2. This move is always on 2. And 3. This jump is always on 3. And once again, swirl 4 and slide 1 and 2 and 3 and 4